Hello, friends. Every day, we experience one or two solar flares with energy equivalent to millions of volcanic eruptions. But thanks to the Earth's magnetic field, this energy does not harm us. Recently, however, NASA announced that the strongest solar flare ever recorded is expected to hit Earth in 2025. According to NASA, this event could lead to massive destruction. Flames could engulf the planet, turning Earth into a fiery sphere. The energy released by this flare will be equivalent to billions of nuclear explosions. Unfortunately, even our magnetic field might fail to protect us this time. This isn't the first time such an event has occurred. Back in 1859, a similar incident took place. On September 1st, British astronomer Richard Carrington observed an intense flash of light through his telescope. The brightness was so strong that he couldn't see for 5 minutes. Thinking it was just a comet, he ignored it. However, that flash was not ordinary. It was a plasma bomb, a powerful solar flare heading toward Earth at unimaginable speeds. The flare reached Earth on September 2nd, creating stunning auroras that lit up the night sky as if it were daytime. Gold miners in America even began their work, mistaking the night for day. But these beautiful lights were just the calm before the storm. As charged particles from the flare entered Earth's atmosphere, electrical systems began to fail. Telegraph lines sparked, transformers caught fire, and many people received severe electric shocks. Hospitals without electricity faced chaos, and more than 30,000 people lost their lives. Electrical devices even began functioning without power due to the high currents in the atmosphere. Slowly, the world was plunged into darkness. You might think, but wasn't that destruction manageable? Well, that was only a minor event compared to what we might face now. In the 1800s, technology was still in its infancy, with electricity only recently discovered. Today, 87% of the world relies on electricity for everything, from small gadgets to massive machines. NASA predicts the 2025 solar flare will be 100 times stronger than the one in 1859. The energy release will be 1,000 times greater, making it a serious concern. Our advanced technologies, which make life easier, could become the very reason for widespread destruction. NASA has launched a satellite called the Advanced Composition Explorer, AC, to study solar flares. But even with this advanced technology, we'll only have 30 minutes to prepare once a solar flare is detected, a near impossible time frame to prevent global catastrophe. To understand this, we need to explore how solar flares originate. Inside the sun's core, nuclear fusion creates charged particles that produce electric currents and magnetic fields. Sometimes, these magnetic fields twist and form knots, trapping matter and creating sunspots. Over time, the trapped plasma condenses and rains back onto the sun. But occasionally, disturbances cause parts of the plasma to break away, shooting out as a solar flare. Every 11 years, the sun's magnetic field reorganizes, triggering these solar flares. The last significant event occurred in 2014. Now, in 2025, the next cycle will bring even more powerful flares, potentially causing massive damage. The first impact will be on Earth's magnetic field, followed by satellites. The high-speed collision will destroy satellites, causing a literal rain of debris on Earth. A single satellite fragment can release enough energy to devastate entire cities. Imagine the chaos when thousands of satellites and millions of debris pieces come crashing down. If we survive this, the next challenge will be a complete electrical blackout. Power grids will fail, halting public transportation and emergency services. Hospitals will lose power, affecting patients on life support. Traffic systems will collapse, leading to accidents and chaos. People may even get trapped in elevators, suffocating due to a lack of ventilation. Such a blackout could last over a month, leading to severe economic losses. The global GDP would plummet, especially since electricity powers nearly every aspect of modern life. But this is just the beginning. Radiation from the solar flare could cause skin cancer and weaken immune systems, making humans more vulnerable to diseases. Without medical services, these effects could lead to mass casualties. Historically, solar flares have also revealed some fascinating phenomena. In 774 AD, a solar flare caused a sudden increase in atmospheric carbon-14, which played a role in plant photosynthesis and ultimately Earth's evolution. This shows that solar flares are both a blessing and a curse. So, friends, what do you think? Will scientists develop a way to protect us from these solar flares? Or are we heading toward massive destruction? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you learned something new, don't forget to like the video. Stay curious, keep learning, and take care. Goodbye.